Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys that don't know me, my name is Feyisetan, and if this is the first time stopping by my channel, please click on that subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel, and also please click on the bell notification to get notified from me whenever I post new videos. So as you guys can tell from today's title, today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I got this beautiful luscious locks all by myself. I can say this is the first protective hairstyle I've literally done on myself, like actually attaching something to my hair for myself. So this is a huge achievement for me. So if you guys would like to see how I got this done, please stay tuned. I was actually terrified because I didn't think I was going to be able to do it, but then when I started, I did one, I did two, and voila. So this is me here. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this done. This is so beginner friendly because I'm someone that I literally can't do my hair myself. Like when it comes to literally braiding, I can't braid my hair myself. So doing this is an achievement for me. I can't do much to my hair. Like I'm really limited when it comes to like hairstyles I do, because I don't know what's wrong with my hands, but my hands sometimes do not cooperate like with my style, if that makes sense. Because yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this done, please stay tuned. And also I'm sure you guys would like to see the hair I used the 2x Mambo rocking locks extreme. Yeah, it's extremely natural texture, it's extreme lightweight, and I think I got this in a color 2 as well. I got this in a color 2, and this was what I attached to my hair first. And the one I used, well, I'm literally being too forward. This is how the Mambo rocking looks like. It's got 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's got 10 pieces in there. So I used three of this because I think I've got like 30 to 32. Yeah, I used 3 packs of this, and this was $5.99, basically £6. And I used the Jamaican locks to wrap the hair. This is the one you see here. I used the Jamaican rocking locks in color 4, and this was 44 inches. And this is how this one looks like. It's not quite black, it's a brownish color. I'm sure you guys can see it's brown. So yeah, these are the hair I used, and this was $5.99 as well, so basically £6. And I used 4 packs. I used 3 packs of this, 3 packs and a bit of this. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this done, this was no rubber band, no crochet, nothing. I twisted my hair because I can't braid, so I twisted my hair into, I'm not sure, 30 or 32 sections, and then you guys would see how I do that in the next tutorial. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this done, please stay tuned. And yeah, if you guys would like to see more content like this from me, please click on that subscribe button, leave your comments down below, like this video, share, subscribe, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye guys. Mwah. So what I'm doing here is sectioning my hair into parts to make it easier to work with. And as you can see, I absolutely suck when it comes to neatly parting my hair, and it so happens that it doesn't really matter in this case because it sort of makes the faux locks as realistic as possible, if that makes sense. Like the more imperfect it is, the better it actually looks, in my opinion, guys. But the one thing I kind of made sure to do was to make the parting at the center of my head a little neater, because obviously that's like the part everyone sees, I think. So right now I'm just moisturizing my hair and twisting it, and I'm using the lock method here. If you want to know how I moisturize my hair, I have a video showing you guys how. I'm gonna leave it in the high cards up, and I'm gonna leave it in the description box below, so you guys can go watch that video to know how I keep my forced natural hair moisturized. So first things first, I am sort of twirling my twist to make the hairs I'm going to be attaching to it a lot more secured. So you're going to want to take the ends of the rocking locks and wrap that around your twist or your braid a couple times till you're sure it's secured. I wrapped mine 3 times, as you guys can see. And then you put your natural hair as well as the rocking lock together. I'm sure it's easier for you guys to watch me do my hair than to actually listen to me explaining, because it sounds a lot more complicated with me trying to explain. So now you're going to get the Jamaican locks, also taking the ends and wrapping that around your natural hair as well as the rocking locks. So right now you're going to want to wrap the Jamaican locks a couple times, just like we did with the rocking locks, and in this case I wrapped mine 3 times as well. And then I began working my way down, like twisting the hair down. I'm sure it's easier for you guys to actually watch me do my hair. So as you can see here, I have exhausted the Jamaican locks, and I'm taking another piece of the Jamaican locks and wrapping all the hairs, including the remainder of the previous Jamaican locks, as you guys can see here. Now when you get to the bottom, all you're going to do is you're going to start wrapping the hair upwards, because we're really going for a more realistic looking ends, and like I said, you're going to start wrapping the hair upwards. And when you're done, you're going to roll the hair in between your hands like so, and you're done. So here I'm just showing you guys how I do the ends again, because that might be a bit tricky for you guys. So when you get to the bottom, like the tip of the hair, you're going to start wrapping the hair back upwards, and when you're done, you roll the hair in between your hands and you're done. Like, it's that simple, guys. And I'm sure it's easier for you guys to actually see me do the hair than me explaining. Like, it's way complicated explaining than you actually watching it. So yeah. This is how the hair looks, and this took me about 6.5 hours to 7 hours to complete, and that including my actual twists on my hair. So yeah, I'm sure you guys can see how realistic the end looks. Like, I'm obsessed with this hair, like the ends, everything, the color, the length, everything. And as you guys can tell, this hair isn't perfect, but being that it's my first try, I'm really proud of myself, and I'm hoping you guys give this a try, because it's very simple, and yeah, you should, and just let me know how it goes. So guys, when I tell you this is the longest hair I've done ever, I'm literally not kidding you guys. I think this is, well, the rocking locks I used is 20 inches, so this should be 20 inches. So I'm going to be showing you guys how long the hair is. So this is where the hair reaches. Don't know if you guys can see, I'm literally like tiptoeing So it's getting here, literally to my thighs, and it's getting all the way to my bum. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and you can leave your comments down below as to what videos you guys would like to see from me next, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye guys.